Hello you guys, my name is Katelynn. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing a tapping session on success. I feel like so often we're like, oh, I want to be successful, but then our actions are not in alignment with what we say that we want. So today we're going to be letting go of any resistance to success, or maybe even considering what bad things will happen if we do reach this success. Like, are we going to lose love or whatever it might be? We're just going to let all of that BS and all of those old stories go, so that way you are free to make choices that are in more alignment with the success that you want. Before we get into it, I pulled a affirmations card from Gabriella Rosie's Bad Bitch Affirmations deck, and it says, I matter and I am important. I know that it's backwards on the screen, but I want you to know that you matter, you are important, and you are worthy of success. So we're going to tap on it today. And so if you have no idea what EFT tapping is, it is a stress reduction technique. It's super duper simple. You will just tap where I tap and say what I say. It's super simple. So today we're gonna start on the side of the hand, just like this. And I'd like you to repeat after me. I desire success. And I get to choose what success looks like. And I so badly want to be successful. But I have some resistance to the success that I want. I say I want it on one hand, but my actions are not in alignment. If I want to be fit and healthy, and I say I'm gonna work out 5 times a week, maybe I sabotage myself and then only work out once or twice and fall off. And it doesn't matter what area in my life. I want to be successful because however I self-sabotage is unique to me. Maybe I don't have any fitness goals right now, but I have some business goals. Whatever my goals are right now, I honor and accept myself where I am, and I choose to not beat myself up for not already being successful. So even though for the longest time, I may have found myself self-sabotaging and or simply running away from success, I choose to deeply and completely love, honor, and forgive myself. I forgive myself for self-sabotaging. And I forgive myself for running away from success. And I forgive myself for not already being successful. And I choose to accept myself right here, right now. All right, take a deep breath in and let it go. Okay, How are you feeling? That may have brought up some stuff where you're like, oh yeah, I seem to always self-sabotage when I reach a certain level of success. Like, just make a mental note of these aha moments. And we're now going to get into several full rounds of tapping. So we're now going to start on the top of the head. And I'd like you to repeat after me. I desire to be successful. And I'm so tired of these old habits. And these old patterns that seem to be keeping me stuck and are keeping success just out of reach. Because right now, when I don't have the success that I desire, I'm in my comfort zone. And although it can feel frustrating, this seems to be all the success I allow myself to have. Like, what the hell? So if I want more success than I already have, I need to begin to release any benefits I receive from staying stuck. When I stay stuck, it feels safe. But I choose to begin to know that achieving success is absolutely safe. And I am worthy of success. I can handle success. I am absolutely capable. I am deserving of success. And I am so brilliant. And I'm ready to release any and all doubts about that. All these old stories that tell me why I can't have success, I choose to thank them for keeping me safe. And I choose to know that I can handle success. I am an adult. I have so many resources available to me. And I am wildly capable. And I'm so deserving of everything I desire. And that includes success. And money and love. Truly everything I desire. I am so worthy of it. And I can have it. And I can handle it. So even though for the longest time I have avoided achieving success, I choose to deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself. And I choose to deeply forgive myself. And I now choose to know and believe that it's safe to be successful. I am safe. It's safe to be successful. And I'm ready to feel this safety deep within my body. It's safe to have success. And I am deeply worthy and deserving of it. And so it is. All right, take a really deep breath in and let it go. Okay, how are you feeling? I know that I now feel really relaxed. Hopefully that you feel relaxed and feel more in your body and just feel less resistance, where it's like, oh yeah, I get to be successful. It's not really a big deal. And now I'm gonna go take the actions I need to take in order to make it happen. So I hope that's how you're feeling. Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you, and I hope to catch you in the next video. Okay, bye.